Hello friends, my name is Amy Joan Paquette. I'm a children's author and I have written some books, and today I'm here to share one of them with you. It's called Ghost in the House. Are you ready? This book is written by Amy Joan Paquette, that's me. It's illustrated by Adam Record and it's published by Candlewick Books. Are you ready for the story? Here we go. Ghost in the House. Boo! There's a ghost in the house, in the creepy haunted house, on this dark, spooky night, all alone. And he goes slip slide with a swoop and a glide until suddenly he hears a groan. What could be making the groaning sound? Shall we find out? And a mummy makes 1, 2 in the house, in the creepy haunted house, on this dark, spooky night, on the prowl. And they shuffle around without even a sound until suddenly they hear a growl. Can you all make a growling sound? Look at that. What could it be? What creature is making the growl? And a monster makes 1, 2, 3 in the house, in the creepy haunted house, on this dark, spooky night, midnight black. And they creep and crawl down the echoing hall until suddenly they hear click clack. Can you all make a click clack sound? What could it be? Shall we find out? And a skeleton makes how many? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the house, in the creepy haunted house, on this dark, spooky night, cold and bleak. And they stagger and stomp in a spine-chilling romp until suddenly they hear a shriek. Can we all together now make a shriek? What do you suppose is making the shriek? We are going to find out, friends. Oh my goodness, it's a witch. There's a witch in the house. And a witch makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the house, in the creepy haunted house, on this dark, spooky night. Best beware. Then a sudden flash makes them topple and crash until suddenly they hear, "Who's there? Who's there? Oh my goodness. Let's find out. There's a boy in the house, in the creepy haunted house, on this dark, spooky night. What a fright! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the creatures run, leaving him alone to say good night. There he is, all alone in the haunted house, and look at those creatures skedaddling. They are so afraid. The scariest creature in the whole haunted house was what? Oh my goodness, it was the boy. Can you imagine that? They ran, and that, my friends, is the end of the story of Ghost in the House. I hope that you enjoyed this reading, and I hope that you are having a good time and staying safe, and most of all, reading a lot of books. Boo!